Now this one could be big for the series because that's Jett Lawrence right there. Everyone, well, not everyone's, but the overall favorite to win this series. Obviously, he didn't look very good last weekend in the rain, but that's him riding off afterwards. Coming up short into the triple or quad, whatever he was trying to do, you can see he just cases it straight up, to the frame, slams into the into the bike, and his left hand doesn't come off the bar. You can see when he gets up, he pushes with his arm, so it's not broken or anything, then starts shaking it and immediately grabs it, which does not look very good. Obviously, this could be just as I'm recording this right now. This is from Steve Mathis saying it's just a thumb jam, which it could just be. And I'm not saying he's injured. I'm not putting that swirl out there. But this is the danger of Supercross, where just riding on press day and you can do something, or something like this could happen to somebody. He's one of the best riders over here, one of the best riders in the world, and some little tiny mistake could, end a whole season or ruin a championship just because of nothing. One little misjump and you case it, and there goes your hand. And even if it is just a jammed thumb, that's still a big thing considering how much your hands control the bike. How much, obviously, these people, you're supposed to hold your legs too, but being able to hold the bars and just be able to control the bike, it's a lot just straight into your uh down to your hand control. I don't know. Hopefully he's fine. Hopefully this is just a jump, like a jammed thumb, and perfectly fine. Tape it up and he'll be good to go. But I mean, that's scary to watch when you consider how simple it was, and then you never know. But hopefully he's fine. And you guys tell me in the comments below. Tell me who you think's gonna win. Is it Jett? Is it Tomac? Is it Roxon? Do you think Sexton's gonna come out and do this, or we're gonna have another mutter and everyone's just throwing hands up in the air saying who knows? But whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the things that this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.